In this video, we introduce the Wi-Fi Checkup Tool. The Wi-Fi Checkup Tool is an easy-to-use series of Wi-Fi tests to help you make the most of your network. The Wi-Fi Checkup Tool is found in the MyBell app. Along the bottom, tap Support, then Wi-Fi Checkup, and Start Scan. It then performs a series of 4 diagnostic steps to check the modem information, check the status of your home internet connection, run a speed test, and detect devices connected to the Wi-Fi network. All this without interrupting your service. Once completed, the tool will provide recommended solutions and instructions for your home setup, such as pod placement. The Wi-Fi Checkup Tool ensures you and your family can enjoy Bell's services the way they were meant to be experienced, by giving you the power to troubleshoot and maintain your Bell Wi-Fi network at your convenience. For more support, visit bell.ca/support or connect with our community forum at bell.ca/forum.